Are your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro not showing up in Bluetooth list? Whether you're using Samsung Galaxy or any other Android, here's how to fix it. First, make sure your buds have enough battery. If the battery is too low, they may not enter pairing mode properly. So if needed, place them in the case and charge them for a while. Next, let's put the buds into pairing mode manually. Open the charging case and look for the pairing button at the back. Now press and hold that button until the LED light starts flashing. Once you see that, your buds should be discoverable. If they still don't show up, close the lid and wait about 10 seconds. Then open it up again and repeat the same pairing step. This can refresh the Bluetooth signal and help the buds appear. If that still doesn't work, try refreshing Bluetooth on your phone. Turn Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on again. After that, go to Settings, then Apps, tap the Filter and Sort icon, then enable Show System Apps. Now search for Bluetooth and tap on it. Go to Storage, then tap Clear Cache. After that, restart your device. At this point, your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro should show up normally. If this helped, stay with Fix369 for more quick tech fixes.